DNR kasabay ng Department of National Defense ay nag-stage ng Asia Pacific Ministerial Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction noong October 14 to 17, nakaraang linggo. Dinaluhan po ito ni President Bongbong Marcos at ng 4,000 delegates, including leaders, experts, scientists, academicians from 39 member countries of the Asia-Pacific region. And also, may mga 30 other countries po na sumali din para ma-strengthen. Ang objective po nito ay ma-strengthen, mapalakas ang regional cooperation para ma-meet po, ang layunin, matugunan po ang layunin ng Sendai Framework.